Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga for digestion. This is a prop-free, hand-free, wrist-free class. Let's begin by resting back. You can place your hands on your belly. You can even rub your hands together, create some chi, some energy, and place it over your digestive organs. Breathe in and receive. Breathe out and let go. Feel the support of the earth. And allow all the tension to release and drain down into the earth. Take your hands behind your right knee. You're going to draw your right knee into your chest as you exhale. Inhale, let it draw away a bit. You're pressing on your ascending colon. Your colon releases waste from your body. Digestion is all about receiving what you need and letting go of what you no longer need. This pose is about releasing what you no longer need. And then release this side down. Take your hands behind your left knee. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to press down on your descending colon now. Inhale, release. Exhale, press down. Now let's lengthen out your ascending and descending colon. Take your feet over to the right side of your mat. Side bend your body over to the left side of the mat and take your arms overhead. And feel the ascending colon lengthen out. So you want your ascending colon to be relaxed, to be able to let go as well. And then we'll go over to the other side to release the descending colon. Take your legs over to the left side, side bend your body, and take your arms over to the right side, sorry. And then come back to the center, bend your knees. You're going to roll to your side and come up onto all fours. And from all fours, you're going to walk your left leg through. So again, we'll be attending to your ascending colon. You're going to inhale, take your right arm overhead, take it behind your head. You're going to inhale, rotate open. Exhale, come back center. Inhale, rotate open. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate open. Exhale, center. And then switch sides. Inhale, take your left arm up, bend your elbow, take your hand behind your head. Inhale, rotate open. Exhale, center. Inhale, rotate open. Exhale, center. Receiving the support you need, receiving from your experiences, allowing yourself to digest your life. And then come back to center. And we're going to lie down on your back. Take your arms out to the side in a soft T. Bend your right knee. Press into your right foot. Tuck your left hip under. Cross your right knee over your body. Take a breath here. Massaging all your digestive organs. Come back to center. Press into your right foot. Untuck your hip. Lengthen your right leg out. Bend your left knee. Press into your left foot. Tuck your right hip under. Cross your left leg over your body. Take a breath here. Untwist. Press into your left foot. Untuck your body. Lengthen your legs out. Rest back for Savasana here while I sit up to read you a poem to close out. So this poem is called Sunset and it's by Rilke. Slowly the west reaches for close of new colors, which is passes to a row of ancient trees. You look and soon these two worlds both leave you. One part climbs towards heaven, one sinks to earth. Leaving you not really belonging to either, not so hopelessly dark as that house that is silent. Not so unswervingly given to the eternal as that thing that turns to a star each night and climbs. Leaving you, it is impossible to untangle the threads, your own life timid and standing high and growing, so that sometimes blocked in, sometimes reaching out. One moment your life is a stone in you, and the next a star. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing this class. Put I am digesting my experiences in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more classes like this. Share it with your friends. Go to melissawest.com/constipated for my digestion support. Go to melissawest.com/begin for this 30-day challenge. And remember that there's an ad-free version of this in our membership community. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. And may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.